Hello everyone, welcome to Craft Lane YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful flower scrunchie out of fabric. Now let's see what are the supplies we need to make this project. We need a fabric strip, length around 20 inches and width around 3 inches. And we have some fabric circles. We need a piece of elastic, a safety pin, needle and a thread, pair of scissors, and some colorful beads. Now let's make the scrunchie first. First take the piece of fabric and you have to fold it inside out, and you have to stitch the edge. Keep about half a centimeter seam and stitch it with a needle and a thread. Now I have completely stitched the edge. Now I have to take the inside out of this fabric strip. For that we are going to use the safety pin. Attach the safety pin to the side of the fabric like this. And you have to insert the safety pin inside the fabric and take it from the other end. It's very easy. Now pull the fabric carefully. I press the fabric strip so it's very neat and tidy. Now we have to take a piece of elastic. I have taken a piece of elastic with about 6 inches length and 1 inch width. Now we are going to insert this elastic into this fabric strip. What we have to do is we have to take the safety pin, attach the elastic like this, and now we have to take this elastic through the fabric strip by using this safety pin. Now take a needle and thread. Now we have to attach these edges, both edges of the elastic together. Put some firm stitches where the scrunchie will not. Now we have to attach both ends of the elastic together. After stitching the elastic edges together, we have to stitch the fabric strip edges together as well. For that, we take the fabric strip like this, 2 edges, and overlap the edge on one like this, overlap it, and fold a little seam inside to get a perfect finish. And now you have to stitch it around with a needle and thread. Now our scrunchie is ready. Let's see how to make the fabric flowers and attach it on top of the scrunchie. To make the fabric flower, we need fabric circles like this. I have taken it from 2 colors. Now let's see how to make the petal. first fold it into two, and then again fold it until you get a triangle like this. Now take a needle and thread. We have to stitch the edge of the petal like this, and pull the needle until you make a small petal like this. Complete it with another stitch. Let's see how to do it again. First take the fabric circle and fold it into two, and again fold it on top of that. You make a fabric triangle like this, and you have to pass the needle and the thread on the edge like this, and pull the needle, and again pass the needle and put a tiny knot. Here we made the petal. Like that we need 6 petals to make one flower. Now let's attach the petals. Take a needle and a thread, put a tiny knot like this, twist and a knot like this. Take the petals one by one and pass the needle I'm going to take 2 colors of petal, pass it like this. You have to attach all the 6 other petals like this. We have made the flower. Complete it with another stitch by attaching 2 petals together. Now that we have made the flower, I'm going to attach the flower into the scrunchie. Find the edge we have stitched and keep the flower on top of the edge. And put a few stitches. Attach the flower into the scrunchie. Now I'm going to attach some pearls into the middle of the flower. Now our scrunchie is ready to wear. To see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel Craft Lane. Thank you.